All right, we're starting off this tutorial to show you how you can exchange your currency to something else other than your base currency in your sales binder account. This is often useful when your customer requests to be invoiced in a different currency. It's a quick and easy way to accommodate that. So we're starting off in our demo account here. This invoice is for a made-up company called ABC Solar Corp. And you'll see that this invoice is about $18,000 and some change. We're going to convert this to Canadian just to see how that goes. So to do that, you would just click on Options, Change Currency. We'll look for our Canadian dollar here. Not the greatest exchange, but we'll take it. It'll exchange to 24,000 and some change. The foreign exchange is updated every 30 minutes or so. So right now we're getting a pretty accurate rate, but you can always plug in your own exchange rate if you have something different. So we'll go ahead and save that. Now you'll see the invoice is displaying in CAD. The base currency is shown below in a little light gray text in USD. The customer will only see the highlighted currency here. So if you want to see a preview of what they'll see, we'll just show you a print preview here. You can see that they're being invoiced for $24,860 Canadian. And that's it. So a few other things we can go through here. Let's say you'd like to adjust the foreign exchange rate. All you have to do is click on Options right there. Click Update Exchange, and we'll give it a little bit of a better exchange rate so it's a bit closer. So now it's a little bit lower at $24,438. Click Save, and that's been updated. So that's just a quick overview of how you would exchange your invoices into different currencies.